Hi everybody, this is my introduction video. Some of you have probably been in a class with me before, so some of this will sound familiar. I came to the Citadel in 2018, so I teach ethical leadership and organizational behavior, leading diversity and inclusion, MBA Essentials 1, undergraduate, management and organizational behavior, managing change, professional development, lots of classes like that. I was born in Ohio. Didn't know there were so many Ohio people in Charleston until I got here. Went to Bowling Green State University in Ohio. Majored in purchasing and operations management. My first job was at Chrysler, where I bought fasteners and brake parts. Went back to Bowling Green to get my MBA, where I taught as my assistantship, and I ended up teaching there as a full-time instructor for 3 years before I went to get my PhD at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. My first time living in the South. My degree's in organizational behavior, and my first job was at Western Washington University, which is north of Seattle. Had my son in 2000 and moved back home. Basically lived in Cincinnati and taught at Northern Kentucky University, which is right across the river. My son was getting ready to graduate from high school, and I was divorced by that time. I decided I wanted to move somewhere else, and here I am, living in Charleston. So, my two truths and a lie. 1, I'm the president of my HOA in my neighborhood. 2, I sold books door to door one summer when I was in college. And 3, I can't remember what I was going to use for my third one. I'm allergic to dogs, except for hypoallergenic ones. So I look forward to getting to know you all.